Hello everybody, we are at IMTEX 2023 and this metal cutting exhibition has been taking place after 4 years and currently we are at hall 5 and stall number A132. We have with us the CEO Mr. Rajesh from Setco India Pvt Ltd. Hello sir.
Hello.
How are you feeling sir? Today is the 5th day of the IMTEX and tell me about your experiences please.
It's always a feeling of elation whenever we come to IMTEX. IMTEX being the most premium exhibition, I would say, in not only in India but in the rest of the world as well. And it's always pleasure to showcase our products here because we receive so many customers across India. So always had a great feeling.
What are the products this year that you have brought up like this? IMTEX is happening after 4 years.
So as a company, we have grown on spindle reconditioning activity. But in 2017, we started manufacturing. So now whatever we have showcased here are the spindles which are used on milling machines. And there are 3 kind of products, in fact, which are popular in milling machines. So out of these 3 products, we have showcased the belt-driven spindles and direct drive spindles, specifically for all VMC and HMC machine manufacturers. And that's what we have showcased.
What is there for the audience, for the Indian manufacturers, that they can benefit from Setco?
The first and most important thing that so far this particular product was always imported.
Yes.
Either it was imported or it was manufactured by the machine tool manufacturer itself. So now we are independent spindle manufacturer available for all the machine tools people. Apart from that, the another I would call it as the USP of Setco is that we have got a 3 service center across India. So we are in Pune, we are in Chennai, and we are in Manesar. So irrespective of the fact that in which part of country your machine goes, we are there to support for after sales. So that is one good part. So I would say we would like to bang on these 2 facts that this is the completely make in India product, which is the need of the hour today. And second thing is we are after sales service being present in all 3 major industrial cities of India, and probably we will also add a couple of cities in next 2 years. So that is the aim.
Let us know, how have you seen the manufacturing industry evolve recently?
I must say that from very nascent stage now, companies and manufacturers are becoming matured. They are coming out with newer technology machines. When it was started, it was merely 3-axis machine. But if you have seen around the plant, there are many Indian machine tool manufacturers have come out with the different technological advancement machine, and so that's the evolution that I am seeing in last few years.
Thank you so much, sir, for your time, and I wish you all the very best.
Thank you.
All the luck for the next 2 days.
Thank you for talking.